Alright, look what got delivered today. A new Samsung fridge with hub. Here's some pictures we put on there. Go to the main. Alright. And down here's the freezer. Which just have some ice packs in here right now, and there's no ice yet. It's a really big freezer. And here's the fridge, which it is also really big, and we have a lot of room left over. Still have tape and stuff to get off. Got tape on here too, or plastic wrap, whatever on that one. Nice big drawer. Water thing here, water pitcher. Which I'm not even sure how to get this out yet. We'll have to,
I bet that's the lock. I think that's the lock.
We'll mess with that later because I don't want water to come pouring out. That'd be bad.
Water though, remember they said?
Yeah, but it may be in there by now. It's just no ice. All right, let me show that door.
Hold on. Ooh.
Got the storage in the door. All right, so there is the new Samsung fridge. And I did get this at a discounted rate on Insiders for my honest review on it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll be back again soon with another video. Bye.